In business, the term lead generation usually means getting customers to buy your product. For example, if you own a carpet cleaning business, you might have an employee who goes door to door or sends postcards in the mail to households that need your service. The type of lead you receive will depend on how well you've marketed yourself. For example, if you're selling high-end carpets, you'll likely have many more prospects than someone who cleans regular carpets on a daily basis. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about is lead generation easy? Factors to consider. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. However, the process for creating a lead generation plan can be complicated if you don't know where to start. Generating leads takes time and effort. You can't walk in the door and expect them to come running in the next day or even the next week. That said, it's not impossible to bring new customers in with your marketing efforts. If you focus on using the right strategies and making sure you are able to track results, you can increase your sales. Here are some ideas about how to boost your lead generation skills. Find the leads. There are different ways to get potential customers to contact you, but if you can't find them, you won't get any new leads. There are a variety of tools available for finding leads, including social media, pay-per-click advertising, media buying, and other options. Work on your message. You need to make your message clear from the outset. Make sure it's easy to understand and remember. Your website, ads, brochures, letterhead, etc. should all be clear and concise. This will also make it easier for your business to remain competitive in a tight economy. Keep your leads organized. Most lead companies require you to collect and sort data before you can provide them with the names and email addresses of prospects. Be sure you stay organized by identifying which leads are of particular interest to your company. If you have a mobile marketing campaign in place, for instance, this data can help you optimize where you place your ads. Make your company information easily accessible. If your company is in the home-based business market, be sure you are accessible via the internet. There are several online directories that can provide valuable information about your company, and it can give you a competitive advantage. In addition, make sure your website is search engine optimized so that you rank well when someone searches for the products or services your company offers. Follow up. Once you have received your leads, follow up promptly. If you send emails to potential customers, be sure to follow up quickly with them. It will help you build a relationship with these potential customers, which is what your business needs in order to grow. Make sure you keep track of who has responded and who has not. In addition, monitor where your leads have been, how many contacts are new, and which ones are returning to you. How much should I pay for lead generation services? The price you pay for lead generation will depend on your needs. Different companies charge different amounts for their services. Generally, however, the more leads a company can generate, the more it can charge. However, it is important to compare pricing before choosing a company. You don't want to pay too much for the service, but you don't want to pay anything, either. Find out about the background of the company. Research the history of the company. You should be able to find some information online about the company. Look for things such as how long they have been in business, the number of clients they provide to, and any customer testimonials they may have. Is lead generation a timely service? If you need leads in a hurry, you may want to opt for a company that has them available immediately. Some companies offer their clients leads upon request, while others promise to give them new ones the next day or the next week. If you know you will need a certain amount of leads within a short period of time, opt for a company that offers immediate service. This way, you can use the service and get the results you need right away. How do you get the leads you need? Some companies send out mailings. Others encourage you to visit their site and then fill out a form for them. Still, others call or email you. The method you choose will depend on your budget, your strategy, and the type of business you are involved with. Thanks for watching my video about Is Lead Generation Easy? Factors to consider: if you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.